Hey folks, back again. September 10th still, Tuesday, and we recovered. Remember, do not risk any money you can't afford to lose. Get training on the simulator before you start trading for real. So we were down 172 on the day, and we went back on WLDS, and we earned $246 to bring us green into the day, $72.76, and up $99 for the month of September. So now we got to be careful. We were lucky here. Timing was a thing. So let's look at the trade. So I had ignored WLDS from when it started moving under $2. But if you notice, I had drawn lines there, thinking that that would be the channel, and it broke out of that channel, but I was too busy paying attention to others. And I think what happened now, it was just a minute prior to 6 a.m. Pacific, and I think all the other stocks started to die down. I tried to take trades on ISBC, but Thinkorswim told me that it wasn't available. So I couldn't do anything. I just saw that get up, and I thought I could earn a little bit of money there, but I couldn't. So I had $1,300 going back that I didn't use in pre-market, and I had that available here. And this moves. The two green bars here look good, and we jumped in. We went in with just about 50 shares, and we got in at 257, right underneath the 260, and we started to recover. So what I'm thinking here is this might not do too much. We see there 275 is the high there on the 5 minute, and I'm thinking, well, if I can get 10, 16 bucks, 15 bucks, I can at least bring that 172 number down. And that's what I'm thinking here at 279. If you like the videos, like and subscribe, hit the bell. Don't remember, it's free. Leave comments, questions below. I'll get to them and answer them. So we start looking good above 280. And you notice here I was getting ready to sell. And I'll say, oh, $14. Wow, that's great. But it keeps going. And now we're looking to see if it goes over 3. And since there is a possibility over 3, then we hang on. At this time, the volumes, the MACDs are all pointing upwards. They're all looking good. All the EMAs have the right angle and they're moving up. And we had this quite surge up there to 350. And at that point, I'm thinking that this is going to hit 5 and we're going to jump in with bigger shares. And it took a little bit of time to get filled, but we get filled in immediately. As you know what happens in my other videos, as soon as I buy, this stock goes red. So our new price is now $330 for 250 shares, which is still not bad. But in retrospect, I should have waited for that pullback. Now, there's no red bar on the 5 minute. The 133 tick mark chart, or 10-second down, equivalent to a 10-second down in the left-hand corner, shows a little bit of an indecision. But in the MACDs, you see have a little break, and the volume starts to turn a little bit reddish. But we still see good numbers in the bids on the active trader. And so there is doubt in my mind about this pullback. But 330 is not that far from 322. We're only 8 cents down. Yeah, it's $27, and now we're talking about a $200, $300 loss here. Is what we're wondering. But see that little search? It picks itself up. And I think, like I said, the other stocks were down, and this one started making a lot of noise, and probably started hitting scanners as some folks were logging in, getting ready for the open. And we're about 4 minutes into the trade now, so we have to hold. There's a couple of negatives: the red volume, the MACDs on top, slightly going sideways, straightening out, but here they pick up, and now we know we're going to try to recover. And here I'm thinking, well, I'm down $90, $80. Well, that's pretty good. If I can finish the day and do a recap that I recovered to within $70 for the day, that's great. And fortunately for us, we jumped right over 4. And over 4, I made about $130 there. We sell, and we keep 50. So now we're at 119 out of the 172. We're about $60, and I'm feeling excited that I'm going to go away with, I think, a $54 loss on the day, which is a lot better than the way I started. So for tomorrow and the days going forward, I mentioned in the earlier video that I was having a hard time adjusting to this new week. And it is that we have so much more volume, so many more folks trading in pre-market, and that it gets us to start hunting and in the mindset that, hey, we had a couple of stocks that went over $30. There's an opportunity there. So I think that's what I started doing this morning, is trying to hit one of those, and it's not going to happen. So we need to pull back, maybe not even trade at pre-market, wait until about 5:30, 5:45, and see what shakes out. And if nothing happens, don't worry, just go back and wait for the open, and if nothing happens at the open, wait 15, 20 minutes, an hour. I think 7 a.m. and 8 a.m. are good times, and if not, wait until power hour. But we have to be patient. It's all about being patient. So we jump back in with another 100 shares here, because this is looking strong over $4, and this is where, of course, $100 gets you 111 right away. And that was a great move. And now at 2:30, we've got a surplus. We've raised the $172 we lost earlier, and we're doing well. We still have a little bit of money left, or at least I thought I did. And so we jumped back in again. And I actually went over my settled funds, so I had to send more money from my bank account, but it was worth it. We still made a few more bucks here. So the lesson in the day: be patient, recover. Hope you all had a good day and you all got some. And have a great day. And we'll see you online tomorrow.